Have you ever gotten to checkout, ready to snag that sweet new gadget or stylish outfit, only to be hit with the dreaded message, "Sorry, you are not eligible for Zip Pay"? It can be frustrating, especially when you've used similar services before. But fear not, fashionistas and tech enthusiasts, because today we're cracking the code on Zip Pay eligibility. Zip Pay, for those unfamiliar, is a popular buy now pay later service. It allows you to split your purchase into installments, making it easier to manage your budget. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, except for the part where you get denied. So, why might this be happening to you? There are a few reasons why Zip Pay might be saying no thanks to your financial tango. First, let's talk about the eligibility basics. Zip Pay has some ground rules you need to meet. You have to be 18 or older, and in some regions, a permanent resident or citizen. You'll also need a verified ID, like a driver's license or passport, and a verified debit or bank account. Okay, so you've got the ID and bank account squared away. Great. But Zip Pay also takes a peek at your creditworthiness. This means they might consider your credit history, including things like past loans, credit card payments, and even your history with utility bills. If there are any red flags, like missed payments or maxed out cards, it could affect your eligibility. Now, Zip Pay doesn't tell us exactly what goes into their secret sauce of approval. But that doesn't mean we can't be financial detectives. Here are some additional things that might be playing a role. Limited credit history. If you're new to the credit game, you might not have enough information for Zip Pay to make a confident decision. Building a credit history with a secured credit card can help here. Recent applications, applying for too many loans or lines of credit in a short period can raise a red flag. Pace yourself and space out your applications. Income and expenses. Zip Pay might consider your income to ensure you can comfortably afford the repayments. Alright, so what can you do if you find yourself on the Zip Pay naughty list? Don't despair. Here are some tips. Check your credit report, grab a free copy of your credit report and make sure everything is accurate. Dispute any errors you find, as these can negatively affect your score. Work on your credit score. If your score needs some love, there are ways to improve it. Paying your bills on time consistently is a big one. You can also consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card with a good history, but be sure it's someone you trust completely. Try alternative payment methods. While Zip Pay might not be an option this time, there are other buy now pay later services out there. Explore some alternatives and see if they might be a better fit. Remember, even if you don't qualify for Zip Pay right now, it doesn't mean you're doomed. By taking some proactive steps and managing your finances responsibly, you can increase your chances of getting approved in the future. Before you go out there and conquer your next shopping spree, remember, using any credit product comes with responsibility. Always make sure you can afford the repayments before diving in. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.